Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And today we're going to be speaking about a very important subject, embarking on the keto lifestyle, unlocking sustainable energy. Yes, we derive a great deal of energy from our ketogenic lifestyle, and we're going to discuss this in depth, how we can maximize this through the foods that we eat. You know, embarking on the ketogenic lifestyle is a transformative journey that reshapes not only your diet, but also your energy levels and overall well-being. Whether you're a seasoned keto enthusiast or someone considering the first step towards the lifestyle, understanding how different foods impact your energy is crucial. The ketogenic diet, with its emphasis on low-carb, high-fat foods, can significantly alter your body's energy production process, making it vital to monitor and adjust your intake for optimal performance. So let's talk about understanding ketosis and energy production. You know, the fundamental premise of the ketogenic lifestyle involves reducing carbohydrate intake to such an extent that your body enters a state known as ketosis. In this state, your body shifts from using glucose derived from carbohydrates as its primary fuel source to burning fat for energy. This change can lead to improved energy levels and mental clarity for many individuals. However, achieving and maintaining this state requires careful attention to the types of foods you consume and their effects on your body. Now let's talk about navigating the keto flu. You know, initially, as you transition into ketosis, you may experience what is commonly referred to as the keto flu, a temporary period characterized by symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, and irritability. These symptoms are a sign that your body is adjusting to its new fuel source. It's during this phase that monitoring your energy levels becomes especially important. Paying attention to how different foods affect you can mitigate these symptoms and ease your transition into ketosis. The good thing is that most people do not experience the keto flu, but if we do, we need to be cognizant of the ways to deal with it and to resolve the symptoms as quickly as possible. Let's talk about sustained energy in ketosis. Once past the initial adjustment period, many followers of the ketogenic lifestyle report sustained high energy throughout their day. This steadier source of energy is often attributed to the constant availability of fats being converted into ketones for fuel, in contrast to the spikes and crashes associated with diets high in carbohydrates. Now let's talk about optimizing your energy levels. To optimize your energy levels while following a keto diet, consider incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods that are both keto-friendly and known for their energizing properties. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and avocados can support brain health and energy production. Meanwhile, leafy greens such as spinach and kale provide essential vitamins and minerals necessary for optimal body functions. But also be aware that proteins that are nutrient dense give off most vitamins readily to the body's system. That's steaks, hamburger, poultry, fish, seafood. Nutrient-dense foods come in many varieties, and we should always, in terms of our ketogenic lifestyle and diet, lean towards nutrient-dense proteins. That's very, very key. Now let's talk about, and one thing also about the nutrient-dense proteins, they're very satiating to the appetite. They also do give out various vitamins and minerals very, very readily to the system. Now let's talk about hydration and electrolyte balance. You know, staying hydrated and maintaining adequate electrolyte balance is critical when following a ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Insufficient hydration or electrolyte imbalances can lead to decreased energy levels, among other issues. Therefore, alongside monitoring food intake, ensure you're drinking plenty of water and consuming sufficient amounts of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, either through diet or supplements if necessary. And usually the rule of thumb is consuming half your body weight in ounces of water. If you do that on a daily basis, that's quite adequate, but we should stay very hydrated throughout the day. Now, in conclusion, a personalized approach to a keto success theme is that successfully navigating the ketogenic lifestyle requires more than just avoiding carbs. It demands an attentive approach to how different foods influence your overall vitality. By paying close attention to how various dietary choices affect your energy levels and making adjustments accordingly, you can enhance both your physical endurance and mental acuity on the keto diet and lifestyle. Remember, every individual's response to food is unique. So experimenting with different options while noting their effects on your body will be key in finding what works best for you in sustaining high energy levels throughout this rewarding journey. So there you go. I hope you found this discussion helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd be very honored if you did. Please give me any comments or questions in the comment section below. I'd be very glad to respond to you. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope you're doing well today, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.